welcome back to our channel. If you love the taste of slow-cooked meals but want modern convenience to match your busy schedule, this is the one for you. Meet the Crock-Pot 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker, the perfect blend of big capacity and smart control. With a cooker like this, gourmet flavor doesn't have to take all day or your full attention. Today, we'll explore how this kitchen essential makes feeding a crowd easier than ever, from set and forget cooking to effortless cleanup. Massive 8-quart capacity. Let's start with size. The 8-quart capacity means you can easily cook meals for 10 or more people, perfect for large families, potlucks, or meal prepping. You can fit a big 6 to 8 pound roast or whole chicken with plenty of room for sides and sauces. Digital Programmable Timer. The programmable digital control panel is where the magic happens. You can set your cooking time from 30 minutes up to 20 hours, and once it's done, it automatically switches to warm mode to keep your food ready to serve even if dinner time runs late. Dishwasher Safe Components. Both the stoneware and the glass lid are dishwasher safe, saving you time after your meal. No scrubbing, no mess, just more time to relax and enjoy your food. This slow cooker uses less energy than a conventional oven, making it a smart and efficient way to prepare meals. You can let it run for hours without worrying about high electricity costs. Portable and lightweight design. At just the right size and weight, the Crock-Pot is easy to move and store. Take it to family gatherings, potlucks, or tailgate parties. Your dish will stay warm and ready to serve. Tempered glass lid with cool touch handles. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking without lifting it, keeping heat and moisture locked in. And with cool touch handles, you can move or lift the cooker safely, even when it's hot. Sleek stainless steel design. This slow cooker doesn't just perform well, it looks good doing it. The brushed stainless steel exterior adds a modern, premium look to your kitchen, while being easy to wipe clean and resistant to fingerprints. Whether it's soups, stews, chili, or pulled pork, every bite comes out tender and flavorful without burning or hot spots. The Crock-Pot 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker brings the joy of slow cooking into the modern age. Large enough for family feasts, smart enough to manage itself, and simple enough for anyone to use. After just a few hours, your kitchen fills with incredible aroma, and dinner's ready. Just look at that tender beef stew, perfectly cooked, rich, and hearty. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.